Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So yesterday we were discussing Python inheritance and we have discussed two types of classes, child classes and parent classes. So now we will discuss how to create a child class. So to create a child class or a class that inherits functionality from another class, we will send the parent class or call the parent class as a parameter for creating the child class. So let's see an example. The text is bit of difficult to understand without an example. So you will clearly know the actual concept from the example. So same we will start with class person and then definite initial self name, final name. There will be three parameters self, final name, last name. So first we will call final name. So we will write self dot first name, sorry. We will write self dot first name and then last name self dot last name is equal to il name. So after this we will print first we will print self definite print name bracket self and then we will print both the names first name and last name collectively. So here it goes print into bracket self dot first name comma self last name. So then we will write the class parameters or class variable, which is a person. So we will write class student bracket person. So we have a value of x, x is equal to student, and there are two names, Mike and Olson. And we will print x, x dot print name and bracket. So in output we will get these two names, Mike and Olson. So here is how we can call a child class and get the output from it. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find any value in this video. Goodbye.